Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the macro recorder and granting permission. This lets it capture keystrokes and clicks reliably. Once permission is granted, select the recording mode that matches your task, full screen for multi-window workflows, or region mode for a single app. Then assign hotkeys for record, pause, and stop so you control the capture without using the mouse. Do this now. It prevents accidental recordings and makes playback more predictable, so you can focus on the actions, not the setup. Now record the actions with intent. Perform each step steadily and skip unnecessary mouse movement. This reduces noise. While recording, insert short pauses when an app needs time to load and use explicit waits rather than fixed long delays. That makes the macro robust across different machines. Also add comments or timestamps at decision points so you can edit later. Once done recording, save a versioned copy so you can iterate. These choices improve reliability and keep the macro maintainable. Finish by trimming redundant actions and adjusting playback speed for efficiency. Make sure loops and conditions reflect real inputs. Then run 3 test iterations, first on your machine, then on the target environment, and finally with realistic data. If the macro fails, check common issues, app focus, missing permissions, or inadequate waits, and fix them. Make sure to save a stable version and export a backup. This final polish ensures the macro runs reliably, repeatably, and with minimal supervision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.